Yo, what's up, good people? This is your boy Jay, and I am back with another video for you guys today. And today I just giving a really brief demonstration how you can make a delicious smoothie, especially when it's like you guys like fruit smoothies. It's particularly fruit organic smoothies too, if you love mango or any other kind of flavor too. And today I want to give you a demonstration how you can really make your own Super Saiyan kind of smoothie too. So if you ever want to make this kind of recipe for yourself for breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, etc., just really, having these tools in mind. And I recommend these products that you can try too from the tropicana blends too from the unicorn superfoods. Really has some awesome vitamins and superfoods, turmeric, and everything else, and pineapple really good for digestion too. And just like you guys have like say getting some mango chunks too. Whether it's from like Stater Brothers or anywhere brand too, it's organic. Just really, having that in mind. And also, especially when it comes to like a natural juice too, like like the Langers, mango nectar. Ugh, I can't speak it. So with this video too, this juice also is really good recommendation to have also. Even just when it comes to like this organic smoothie mix too from Dr. Smoothie, which is a really cool brand. It's very organic. It comes in all different flavors too from these brands also. So just to really give you a demonstration when it comes to the smoothie, just like, for starters too, especially for anyone who is, wants to make their own smoothie for themselves too, just when it comes to this video, just always keep in mind, also when it comes to this smoothie, just always keep cleaning your smoothie too before you start it all the time. So for those who just want to keep the longevity of your smoothie blender, especially if it's like a ninja blender too that you can see here in this video, just really keep in mind just to really keep it clean as much as you can. Because the more you do that, the more you preserve your blender, especially if it's like a professional one or just a standard one. So to make this smoothie also, especially this recipe, when it comes to the video, it's really starting when it comes to this too, just for the consistency of this smoothie too. Just really gonna put at least 8 cups too of ice. See if you want to make more for, say, you want to share it for your kids, your loved ones, your spouses. Remember that loves smoothies a lot too. At least 8 cups of ice to the top. Until we get to the max point. Also, when it comes to right here. So basically around here, you like to see a max point too when it comes to the 8 cups. Just really keep that in mind too. That's like the sweet point. But if you want to put a little extra too, you can do that as well. Just really keep an eye on it also when it comes to just really, keep that in mind. You want to just put a little more ice in the cube. You want to make it overflow too. And just also matching, if you want to just like put like more certain flavors too, you can add your superfood mix when it comes to like any kind of like add-ons to your smoothies, like a tropicana blend too from Unicorn Superfoods. Big shout out to them. You want to just pour like at least like a pint or just like a little bit of cup here too, third cup here too. It just depends on you too when it comes to your taste buds. Because, with me, I'm almost out of this, blend too, which is fine. And also you could put like at least, let's say like a cup of frozen mangoes too, just with that to add on top. So get like, well, I'll say like a cup, but at least like 4 or 5 pieces too. Just putting some frozen mangoes on top here. And then the last but not least, this is the juicy part. You just like, at least you want to put like, let's say about, 5 cups. I'm going to put like 5 cups of the mango nectar in here too. Just to really fill it up to the brim. So let me see if I can have this right. There we go. Yeah, I could go a little bit more. So at least 5 right here too. And just like if you want to put a little more kicker to the Super Saiyan smoothie, you add like the organic mixture of this too when it comes to the Dr. Smoothie mix. So you want to add that to at least like 4 or 5 just to add it along with it as well. Just really pouring it. Just really like when it comes to the trick of it, just really eyeing it too when it comes to just making your own smoothies. And so, yeah, kind of like this too. You guys can see it as well in this video. I'm just gonna put these in order. If you want to put a little bit more juice, if it feels like you need to just add a little more to it, feel free to do so. If not, that is totally fine. And also, before you start blending it, put the cap on it too. And just, when it comes to the settings, if you want to just blend it first or mix it, it really depends on you too. So I'm going to start blending it. Yep. Hold on. Oh, turn it on for a second. Well, as a little trick too, just like blending it for like a couple of seconds will get everything all mushed up. And then once you want to do a second round, just really if you want to mix it or really good too, just feel free to do so as well. So. So let's see how this looks. Yeah, so kind of like with the consistency here when it comes to this video, just like you can blend it as long as you like to till it gets smooth and creamy. And that's how you can make like a big batch of when it comes to this Super Saiyan smoothie. If you're making it for yourself, for your loved ones, for your family, etc. This is like a really good recipe to have too. And I'll definitely will post the link to the recipe below so you guys can really copy it for yourself too at any time. And much love to all you guys who are watching this on any social media platform, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, etc. And may we continue to practice self-care, like that we can benefit from from ourselves, our loved ones, and our families too. So hopefully I said it right. But anyways, I'll see you guys around with more content and many blessings. Peace and namaste.